How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. We're checking out a super nice 67 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. It's a true 138 VIN, numbers matching. It's had a complete frame-off restoration about 1,300 miles ago. So the bumpers have been re-chromed. It's got the accessory bumper guards, the grille. The headlight bezels look real nice. Super straight down the sides. I tell you, it's hard to make a Tuxedo Black car this straight and nice. But this was a very nice car to start with. It's all original body panels, original floors. Just a super nice car. All the body fitment, the panel fitment's real nice. Got the rear mount antenna instead of the one on the fender, which I like much better. So the rear bumper's been re-chromed. All the taillight bezels and tail panel moldings all look really nice. Tell you, the paintwork on this car is just super slick. It's been updated with power front disc brakes. Got a set of new Riddler 695 chrome wheels and tires. All nicely detailed under the hood like it should be. And it is the numbers matching, 396, 3 1/4 horse. They did update the intake to the 350 horse intake, the 350 cam, and they did the Holly carburetor on it. We do have the original manifold and quadrajet carburetor also. So the doors are nice and clean. The door panels, front and rear, are the originals, and they're in excellent shape. They did do new dash trim on the dash. Dash pad's original. It's got your factory gauge package with your blinker tack. It's got tilt steering wheel. It's got your rosewood 3-spoke wood wheel. Headliner's nice and tight. It's all new. All your seat covers are real nice. Got your front and rear seat belts. The original center console with the correct shifter. See, the jams are all real nice. Got your factory jack and spare. Trunk floor is real nice. It's got your factory radio, which works still, original radio. Clock in the console all works. Console's in real good condition. We'll fire this thing up. Fires right up. Backup lights all work like they should. Sounds good out the duals. Just a good sounding, good, solid driving car, guys. No rattles in it. Just super nice. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.